In this video, we are going to build a simple website using node.js, Express.Js, and EJS template engine. Express.Js, or simply Express, is a backend web application framework designed for building web application and APIs. EJS, also termed as embedded JavaScript templating, is one of the most popular template engine for JavaScript. So let's get started. We will need to create a folder for our application. We will go here, open folder. Here we will go to the required folder, course 3, select folder. Now we need to create an app within this folder. For that, we will create new file app.js. So now we need to create a package.json file. For that, into terminal, I will type npm init-y. Now it will create the package.json file. We will also need to install the nodemon. To install the nodemon, I will type the command npm install nodemon -save-dev, and it will basically install the nodemon and save as a dev dependency in the package.json file. And if I go into the package.json file, here you can see a dev dependency with the name nodemon has been installed successfully. So after that, we will need to install the Express and EJS package. For that, I will type the command npm install express. So and here I will install the EJS as well -save. Now it will install the Express and the EJS. So currently it is installing the both packages with the name Express and EJS has been installed, and here in the package.json we can see that these packages are listed under the dependency section. So here we can see. After that, we will need to create the app. For that, we need to import the Express package. So for that, I will create a variable express is equal to require, and here in name of the package express. Now I will create an object of this app constant app is equal to express. This it will instantiate the Express package we have just imported on the above statement. We need to set the view engine. For that, app.set. Here I will type view engine, type the name of the engine, and that will be EJS. After that, we will need to create two more variable constant host name is equal to 127.0.0.1. This is basically localhost, and we will create a port is equal to 7000. And after that, we need to mention the route. Here I will add the route. For that, I will type app.get, and here I will give the route and a callback function, and this will request response, and after that I will mention response.render, and here will be the home page. So I will tell the name of the file that will be used for home page. Actually, in this portion app.get, we need to define routing using methods of Express app object that correspond to the HTTP method. For example, app.get we have used here is used to handle the HTTP GET request. Actually, these routing methods specify a callback function. Here you can see this is the callback function. It is called when the application receives a request to a specific route, or you can say at an endpoint. In other words, the application listens for the request that match the specified route, and when it detects a match, it calls the specified callback function. So this is the callback function. So in this way we can add the route. So here the home is basically an EJS template. For that, we need to create, first of all, we need to create a new folder with the name views. So here is the folder, and here within this views folder we need to create a file home.ejs. So here you can see home.ejs has been created, and basically in this file we need to create the HTML. And for that, if I will type the exclamation sign, then automatically it will create a HTML document. Here you can see it has been created, and within the body tag simply I will put some HTML elements, and secondly after that we can add some other routes as well. One more thing, that here you can see that I have created a file with the name home.ejs, but here I have, when I am going to render this file, I have typed the home, only home, not mentioned the EJS extension. This is actually the reason at this point we have set the EJS as the view engine. So it is automatically treated as home.js. So that's why I have not mentioned the home.js. Now I will create the next route. For that, I will basically, we can copy this method and paste here, and just we need to write the name of the new page. Here I will type contact, and in the route here also I will write contact. I will also create an contact.ejs in the views folder. So here I will go and create a new file contact.ejs. So here it is also has been created. Similarly, we'll create a HTML document, and in this HTML document we are going to type some HTML so that we can differentiate the page. In the body tag I will put the HTML. This is contact us demo page. I will save here. Now I will create the third route as well, and that will be about us. So here I will type about, here I will give about, in the views I will create a new file with the name about.ejs, and after that here I will also create the HTML document. I will also type some HTML so that we can see in the demo page. So now this application actually we have created 3 routes. One of them is the default route at the home page, which is the home page. Then we have created the contact page. Then we have created the about page, or you can say about us page. After that, we need to start the HTTP server, or you can say we need to start the HTTP server listening for a connection, or you can say for listening the request on a specified host and port. In this app, we will use the app object.listen, and here I will mention the port and host name and a callback function which will be executed automatically when server will be started. And in this callback function I will basically write the console.log, type the host name, and here I will type the port, control S. Now we are going to start the server. For that I will type the command node app.js. If you have not installed the node mode, then you can simply write the command node app.js. So now we are going to start the server. Here you can see the server is running. If I click on this link, here you can see it is saying that it is the home page. If I type here the contact page, so here you can see it has gone on the contact page. If I go into the about page, here you can see it is showing the about page. So in this way you can create a simple application in our home page. At the end we can give the path home, about, contact us, contact us. Same thing we will place in the contact us page, place in the about us page. And now if I go into the application, here you can see I have 3 links with the name home, about us link, contact us link. So here you can see the web application running and it is showing all pages. If this video helps you, so you are requested to subscribe the channel, to like the video, and to share the video with another friend. Thank you very much.